Hi, I'm Lee Borden, Executive Director of the Arts Center of Western Colorado. Thank you for joining us for this virtual First Friday. We had to postpone our annual benefit Paint the Town, A Night in Paris until the fall. So tonight, we're celebrating our first ever online fine art auction, Paint the Town 2 Weeks in Quarantine. It was generously sponsored by U.S. Bank, so thank you to U.S. Bank and to Bank President Randall Cupp. The second part of our video tonight has a couple of art demonstrations by Ashtonn Means and Matt Jones. To view items in our auction and to watch more tutorial videos and gallery tours, visit our website, gjartcenter.org, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and check out our YouTube channel. Now, here are just a few of the 75 items in our online benefit fine art auction, Paint the Town, 2 Weeks in Quarantine, open until May 8th.